Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be sharing the recipe of our green smoothie here with you. I have all of our ingredients laid out here. We're going to start with our pineapple. We're going to be using 4 to 6 cut pieces. We're also going to be using half of an apple. Now here I have 2 different color apples. I have red and green. It's up to you, but I will let you know that the green apple has less sugar for those who are looking for a healthier alternative to things. We also have a cup of kale. We're going to be using a banana here. If it's a smaller size banana like this one, you can use the whole thing. However, if it's larger, we would only use half of this one. I have a teaspoon of flaxseed and a teaspoon of chia seed, and we're also going to be using 2 cups of coconut water. We're going to toss all of that into the blender to make our smoothie. However, one thing to note is I know a lot of people are creating great healthy New Year resolutions. So if you're doing that and one of them is meal planning and preparation, if you want something quick and easy to do in the morning, you can cut up all of these ingredients that I mentioned and toss them into a little Ziploc bag and throw them into the freezer. Now, once you do that, you get this quick and easy fix to whatever morning meal or meal plan that you have. You can toss this into the blender. You won't need any ice cubes. You just hit the blender on, you got your smoothie quick, ready to go, and you can head out for the morning. So we're gonna toss all this in the blender and we'll get started. Alright, we finished cutting up our ingredients and I tossed it here into this little bag. We're going to go ahead and throw this in the freezer, and while we're in there we're going to pull one out that's already been frozen. We're going to throw that into the blender. Alright, this is our bag straight from the freezer. We're going to toss this into the blender with our coconut water and our seeds here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and toss all of our ingredients in here. So we have a teaspoon of flaxseed and a teaspoon of chia seeds. And now, like I mentioned earlier, we have our 2 cups of coconut water that we're going to pour in here. Alright, I'm going to get this blended and I will be right back with you. Alright, we finished blending it up. You can see how much all of those ingredients kind of made here. We're going to pour it out here in this mason jar. Alright. Perfect. It should be about 1.5 cups. You can see the consistency here. It's very liquidy. Still like a nice smooth smoothie that you can drink in the morning. Well, hope you give this recipe a shot. Let us know what it tastes like. Let us know how you like it. And if you do like it, please feel free to share it with your friends. Like, comment, and subscribe here on our channel. And we look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.